It's Local Edition. Brad Pomerance here in the San Gabriel Valley, and we are joined by Sam Pedroza. He is the mayor of Claremont, but he joins us today as the vice chair of the Foothill Gold Line Extension Construction Authority. 2016 will go down as the year when public transportation really took off in Los Angeles, the entire region. Tell us about what happened with the Foothill Gold Line Extension starting on March 1st.
So it's,
March 5th, I should say.
March 5th, we opened up 5 new stations, and it now travels from Pasadena all the way to Azusa, and it's been hugely, hugely popular.
Think about this. If you live on the east side, we'll say, or east of downtown Los Angeles, you can go from downtown all the way to Azusa.
Exactly.
That is huge.
Not since the Pacific Electric train back in the turn of the century.
And that 210 freeway can be a parking lot.
So 70% of all the new riders are now committed to say, and most of them are saying this is the way they're going to now travel back and forth to work in their locations.
And think about this. A couple months ago, the Expo Line extension opened up. That's from Culver City to Santa Monica. So you can get from Santa Monica to downtown, and then downtown to Azusa, Pasadena. There are folks that do live in Pasadena and work in Santa Monica. They can now take the metro the whole way. Think about what that will do for our roads.
You're absolutely correct. It's been a revolution in public transportation
in the same year.
And more to come with the funding that we have, and even a lot more to come if the voters in November want to.
And let's talk about R2, R2D2.
Yeah, right.
R2 it would be an extension of Measure R, which passed in 2008.
Correct.
We tried to extend it in 2012. It lost by, or J it was called back then, it lost by 0.05% or something like that. But now the San Gabriel Valley is part of R2, so we're hopeful that they'll put that measure over the top for the supporters of it, I should say.
Right, and that will take the Gold Line all the way to my city, Claremont, and to Montclair.
Yeah, so let's talk about Phase 2B.
Correct. And so
it goes from Azusa to
it would go to Glendora, Laverne, Pomona, Claremont, and eventually to Montclair. And that would be for LA County, and then the little
Montclair,
piece with Montclair. And then if San Bernardino wants to continue that, the line could easily go all the way to the airport.
Does the Claremont stop get near any of the universities?
Right in the downtown, right in the village, and walking distance to everything, including all the universities.
Think about that.
And that's exactly what people are experiencing with the light rail coming out to the San Gabriel Valley and the Expo. People are jumping on it and seeing like, hey, I could go shopping, I could go to work, I could go to school,
I could go to dinner,
having to jump on the freeway.
Go to dinner. I mean, that's what's so great
really
is that our family, we are exploring parts of Los Angeles.
Absolutely.
And what also has been inspiring to me is that folks are willing to be creative. Yeah. I mean, look, we're a spread out city. The metro can't be everywhere. But you could go to the metro, take an Uber. You can go to the metro and walk more than you thought you would walk. Just be creative. You can carpool. Whatever it is, it's part of an integrated solution.
It is a big city, but these types of projects really start bringing the whole region together, and we start visiting and having a better understanding and having the experience to go see Pasadena and the west side.
So 2B needs R2?
Yes.
Okay,
yeah,
we'll
absolutely.
see what happens.
And
that's in November.
One of the first projects.
That would be in November. He is Sam Pedroza, mayor of Claremont, vice chair of the Foothill Gold Line Extension Construction Authority. My name is Brad Pomerance from the San Gabriel Valley, where there is a metro stop nearby. This is Local Edition.